people taking the train from one place to another, commuters are feeling the heat when they are unable to board the train during the peak hours. The train that arrives every 2 to 3 minutes does not help to reduce the crowd that builds up almost immediately. Things are not better for commuters who manage to board the train as they are standing in close contact with one another in the cabin.
To improve on the situation, the SMRT has added 83 train trips per week during the peak hours, which can shorten the waiting time to more than 1.5 minutes. 30% of the seats in the cabin have also been removed to accommodate more passengers and to make doorways less congested. Commuters can now board and alight quickly. Aside from seats, the SMRT has also deployed service ambassadors to manage the crowds.
Normally start traveling. I'll start from my house, which is at Tampines, then I'll travel to Pasir Ris. Then from Pasir Ris, I'll travel all the way to Jurong East. There are some people who travel from Sydney to Pasir Ris, then go down all the way back. Or there are also instances whereby people in Pasir Ris itself don't have seats to sit. So they will wait for the next train, or they will have to go down to Tampines and take from Tampines all the way back to their own destination.
So how has travelling in a train affected your mood during these peak hours?
Sometimes it is very congested, plus I carry my laptop, so it will be very troublesome. I have to then my laptop has to shift on because it's very heavy. The incidents that it actually have faults occur is so far only one incident whereby there is a delay of 20 minutes and I'm rushing to work.
Despite the measures taken, the problems commuters face are still present. Are we not solving the problem? Minister for Transport, Mr. Raymond Lim responded during the Committee of Supply debate last March that the Land Transport Authority is addressing the infrastructural bottleneck in the north-south and east-west lines by building an additional platform and track at Jurong East Station. And with its completion and delivery of 22 additional trains to boost capacity by 15%, commuters can look forward to less crowdedness and shorter headways during peak hours. Nonetheless, in comparison with buses and taxis, the MRTs with low fares capped at $2.20 and network of 91 stations remains Singaporeans' favourite mode of transport. Therefore, unless one has to pay $10 for a train ride, it is unlikely the crowd at train stations will reduce significantly in the near future.